Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to the student body. Okay, students, the semester is about to begin, and I want to showcase what you will be doing in this particular class. I'm basically going to give you a bird's eye view of what you have to do. I just need you to follow along. This video log will be sent to you, and also this video log will be your first discussion question. As you can see, all you have to do is click on your course link. This particular course that I'm talking about is CNS 218, Linux Essentials. Yes, this is your Linux class, and I'm going to be talking about Linux all through the semester and sending you videos on how Linux works. But what I want to do is get you in here and get you started. So the first thing you're going to do is, of course, read what's on your home page. It actually walks you through everything you need to know on how to get started. And of course, you're going to receive this video log, so that's going to help you out a lot. Click on your content tab so you can begin to see the things that's in your content. Of course, you have your syllabus, you have your Netiquette, and then you have your link to the meeting and office hours. Remember, Monday, I will have office hours between 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. So make sure if you have any questions to show up. Tuesday, Wednesday, check your syllabus so you'll know exactly when you will be meeting with me. Now, let's go to discussion questions. You know, every week you're going to have a discussion question, but the problem is people don't follow the rules. The rules are here. Make sure you read the rules and you'll see your discussion questions. This video log will be your first discussion question. What I'm going to do is switch over to a student's version so you can see how students will see the class. The next tab I'm going to click on is the assignment tab. And as you can see in the assignment tab, you have work you have to post. Every lab you do, you have to post it in here. So we're going to make sure that you get it in here. Now, what will happen is this. If you do not post it in here and that week close out, you lose those points. Do not lose your points, students. Stay on top of it. Let's go to the quiz section. Now, in this particular section, you have a module quiz every week, but you also have a syllabus quiz. So make sure that you do your syllabus quiz in order to make it through the course. Every week I'm gonna send you something saying, hey, did you do this? Are you on top of this? To make sure you're on top of your work. That's the first week. What's important is this. Your first week, you have 3 modules to get through. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. You got 2 assignments to do. Now you're gonna say, hey, Professor, I went through Chapter 1, I went through Chapter 2, I went through Chapter 3, but what do I put in the assignment section? Nothing. This is only for labs and labs only. Your labs won't actually kick into the next section. And when you click on it, I'm gonna say you do not have any labs in here. But I just want to show it to show you, get you used to doing it. You won't actually produce your first lab until you get to Chapter 5. But I just got this here, and you'll see the meshes inside of it when you click on it. Let's talk about where you go from here. Once you click on this, you're gonna click on Netiquette. Netiquette is right here. It takes you to where all of your coursework would be. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, we are at the home page of Cisco Netiquette, and it's called Cisco Networking Academy, but we call it Netiquette for short, as you can see here. First thing you do is you log in. Once you log in, you go into your courses and you see your coursework. Now, this is just a demo here. So this is my demos that I like to show students. Once you get in here, you're gonna see your course, CNS 218, Linux Essential. You just come right here and click on it. You will receive an email from Cisco to give you the link to this. So this is how the email will look. Let's step over to that. you will receive an email in your personal email account. Remember, I'm sending this to your personal email account so I can make sure that you keep this for the rest of your life. Now, what you'll notice, it says, welcome to your new class. You click on that link that you received from Cisco NetAcad. Watch, I'm gonna click on it, and it's gonna give you all of your information that you need to know about welcoming you in the class. But this is the link you will click on. Now, you can do it either or. You can click on a link in here, or you can click on a link you receive in NetAcad. But remember, your email address is the address that gets you in the class. And when I say your email address, I'm talking about your personal email address. But if you have any problems, just email me and I'll tell you what email address I use. It's your personal email address, people. Most of you already been in this class, but I'm sure that it's going to be one student that's going to say, oh, professor, I don't know what to do. I'm here for you. Don't worry about it. Let's go here. So now once you get back here and you get in your class, this will show up automatically in your class, and you just click it and then you begin. Okay, so now we in Cisco NetAcad. Now yours may not look like mine, but I'm sure it is. It will be. The first thing you're gonna click on when you get in here is the help and resources, because Cisco wants you to register. Then you're gonna go get started, because you need to know exactly what you need to do. And then you got your chapters. As you can see, the exams are locked. They won't be open until Monday, but I'm gonna open up these exams for you. Now students, you got chapter exams in here. Read your syllabus. You got chapter exams in here. And also when you come here, you got exams in here. You got exams in two separate places. So read your syllabus, because in your syllabus, it tells you exactly what I need. And if you have any doubt about anything, come see me. You don't have any labs to do until chapter 5. So that's your second week. I'm gonna click on this lab because I'm gonna demonstrate what I'm gonna need from you. And I'm gonna make a separate video, because you see here I have to enroll. So I'm gonna make a separate video on showing you how I need the work that you do in here. People, I need those screenshots. So know this, when I say in your class that there's more information coming to you, right down here you see right here, more details and instructions will be coming soon. I'm gonna be talking about how I want you to send me them labs. So your first week, all I'm looking for is for you to log into your class and read chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, do your exams in chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and do your module exam. So students, let's get this work done. We ready to go. But always remember, if you have any problems, you can reach out to me. This is Professor Sistrom. I'm trying to keep this video under 10 minutes. If you have any questions, do not wait. Reach out to me via email or come to my office hours. I know y'all not gonna show up to my office hours, so I don't even know why I'm saying that. But come to my office hours. This is Professor Sistrom. I'll see you in the next video log.